Elsa.
We're walking to the beach.
Yep.
And it's really fresh. And
Yeah.
then we got all the centrals.
Everything.
Right, Centrals?
Everything. We have everything ready. I got my
Central?
phone.
Look at there. Look. And then, look at the beach. Look at. As you can see, the beach is so pretty, like so magical.
Magical.
We've been walking here for an hour. Let's go.
Somebody's grouchy. Yeah, anyone who come over here, stress free. Look at the view. Come on, guys. Like the video, please. Subscribe. Look at the view. Hey, my girls are really want to get on the water. Wait for me, girls. They really want to get in the water. We'll be talking about this for like almost a week. Look at this, guys. View is beautiful. Parking lot's only $15, but not bad. Look at this. Wait for me, girls. Wait for me. Remember, I'm a dad. I need to walk slow. Yes, I finally made it to the bottom. Over there. Over there. So we finally have a little setup. Girls are already playing in the water. Look at, they couldn't wait, so they're already in the water having fun.
So what we're doing is we're playing with these toys in the water to catch the crabs. Well, not crabs, but pigs. So I'm playing with my blue toy, and as you see, I'm going